If we have a matic for wave to looking at the pocket, we have a license plate of wire ramp on our friend for bussing.
Big up Ageable TV. Big up Ageable TV.
A man have more than one, multiple wives.
Yes. Why me say so? You see, remember me, brethren. Carry a spear tire. Where if one puncher and you don't have your spear, you're dead, that's a no, right? So in these cases, we actually come in the same way. If you have your wife, you make sure you have even a sweetheart, which she don't know about, right? Because if you stood there with one woman, when she has her period and you want to fuck, you have to sit and wait for her till she come round again and all them fuckery, right? You must have a spare if you have your wife, if you have a sweetheart. Well, if you and your wife can agree, he will want to spite you, know. He will not want to get no fuck. No, you have another spare. Where in your and him can agree, you fit in. You have another one where you fit in with. She get fucked, not you. You understand?
Then suppose you have your wife. You don't want her to have an experiment out there too?
Any man, when married woman and have a house, she and him alone to fuck her. A pushy watchman, the woman to burn up in blood clot because we's all hypocrite. You hear? The man don't want to have 3 wives. I mean 3 women and the wife to sit down wait on him alone. And the woman don't like have 3 men and the man to sit down wait on she alone. So we's all hypocrite, you know, right? If you married a woman at all 20, 30, and say fuck that the one woman for the rest of your life to rascal after so much woman exists. Come on, man, I would be a liar, right? Me must have one pussy kill Katina, man, right? And you live in a few woman pussy, you Clyde died. That woman exists. All you do, you not breed no woman. You don't catch no sickness dog here. You don't make no woman put her mouth to her. And you don't take your money again, no woman. What more she want? And when she ready for fear fuck, she get it. Come now. Eh? So we must loyal. If me and my wife, me I go tell her, you know. Say, daughter, you hear me? Me nah stop you from go fuck, you know. But you know what? Me I beg you. If you go do it careful. You hear, ma'am? Me I beg you do. No catch your sickness come give me and no make no man put them out to me and no take me things give no man. You hear? And no bring no man in my house and in my place. You hear me? I tell you. But we can't tell you say. You know if you go change a sex. Right?
And then suppose she tell you say you know if you do it.
Eh?
Suppose she tell you say you know if you keep no woman with her.
Then she can't know. Me not go fuck no woman we no have no man. Me go try fuck a woman we have in husband, you know. When you want in husband for no saying hide cut to a little piece, you know. You understand? When we see one another, why stranger we see to rascal? Me no know her, she no know me. You understand? But if you go fuck woman we no have no man and have a fuck her good, she go bust it out, you know, boy. She take you over, you know, right? So you have to know. Why is not yourself if you go cut fuck? You can't make your wife know, right? And if your wife got do the same thing, enough to make you know. But we can't be no hypocrite, man. See, I love we carry on, right? We only want to know I'm ready for family copy. Eh?
Suppose you go do it and she find out though and confront you about it.
No, but fan she not see me. Here is up, hold on. You know, see, I tell you, say some man a push you watch man, some man too jealous. Any other man tell him say woman a keep man, he no want she. He gone pan the woman, gone fuck with the woman to burn up him bumbo clot with that shit, you know. I mean, she nothing, right? When make that a trouble him for? And when you ready for him, fucking get it. Where the rascal more you want, eh?
Yeah, some
man bad mind, man.
Some of them not see woman do not want to go beat up you man and all them.
Either than that, me I tell you, those people tell him, and he not see. If the woman carry man na your house, that is different, you know, my brethren, right? But anyhow, a man can tell me, say, right now, my woman a fuck her next man. Me say, man, you fi mind your own bumbo clock business. Suppose me know me no make it trouble me. When you come and try to mash up me and my partner life, man. Mind your own business, man. No can tell me that me no know of that, you know. Me no see her. Where the bumbo clot you come and tell me for? For me and her, you see you use a tail bearer to blood clot. You for mind your one business here, sir. Okay. And not tell me nothing. And some man of stay so, he gonna cock his pint, get stiff to blood clot, I listen to the man, right? And gone upon the woman. When the woman not carry no man in her house, him not see no man a fuck her, right? When he ready to see him fucking get it, where the blood clot my one man. Oh man jealous so man, we sweet you don't want to share it, man. Well, people don't want them, we want to give no man, right? Anything sweet him, he don't want to sweet you. How the bomb clot to them, eh?
So you have some African country and some Arabs country them. A man can have all 12 wives live with, and that not against the law because a part of them think that if you did live in one of them, if you did live in one of them, eh?
That's right, man, because the woman them feel live good, man, while wanna wash, wanna cook, wanna clean. It work done easier. Them not to come together, man, and they don't need the man behind them.
If you did live in one of them country there, you'd live like that?
Rascal, I would never out of a woman, my brethren, because man can't fuck one pussy, my brethren, man, right? And man a king, priest, and prophet, right? And when you watch the cock, the cock have all 10 hen around him. And none of the blood clot cock can go, they go rascal fuck none of them. Them a fight to rascal and the body one tell you know, right?
True.
And if you left the cock and woman a yard, they lick him down. Say one fuck off the whole end for no one another and we woman hate cock you know. He lick down in rascal when he see my fuck that the one a fuck that the one a fuck that the one he get hate him, right? I mean, I know how people so jealous because if me get my little fuck, me play for you. Because I know you want fuck too. With the rascal, me I go follow back at the woman I talk about. Like you no forget no fuck neither. Man, fi kill you. Right? Right? You the back of the woman watching pussy watch man. You get feel like a blood clot fuck. Why not go and where I go? Eh? Allow the woman. Make the woman go fuck another man. How I do you? Eh? Pussy can't done. How I do them man, yeah, man?
A true man, listen, when we are youth in a peanut dread,
yeah.
When we are youth in around 6-year-old, I come from a basic school. Me pass a woman chop up on a 1 tree, you know, man chop up you man because he hears a woman a give him bun, you know, and me never forget that. And me I say to myself, say, what a woman born with, no man no money. So if a woman give you, you know, have no right to go kill a woman. And me have my daughter them. And if it come to a time in life, they might say, then give them man bun, and the man go beat them. That the man have to tell me something.
Look, them if you chop up back that rascal man, shame way man, because no man no get no bun man. A woman no get fuck. With the rascal, if a man fuck your body, if you not body man, then I saw you make in the man have been big with a wide out in body that's fear enough if it. I saw you can't kill him blood clot. But woman a take fuck. With the rascal your business. About bun. About man a get bun. Man a get no bun man. Right? Woman have to fuck. See man where you say you can blood clot yam every day. If you yam every day, you Clyde. You have to change your means, right? So when a man I go chop up a woman who over pussy. A jealous. You understand?
No,
because pussy can't done. Funny woman a breed carrying on funny man catch your sickness game. Where the bumbo clot in and a woman him no see him. What did them man, Rasta me pass through them stay there, sucker. And you, me and me woman and here say, my fuck, all me want him and say that if you go do nothing, do it careful, do not cause no trouble, yeah.